Actually, you
I just
you mow, you
walk.
cover the soil.
I'll just come and chop the weeds, and then we mulch the
The
soil
soil.
again, and then put bokashi again and plant. There's
You're saying
no
about
chilling.
the three principles of permaculture.
The three sisters growing maize and beans and pumpkins. It's called the three sisters. They always agree. They like.
That makes
There's
a
no
lot of
fighting
sense.
between
Yeah.
them. So and it's layering kind of thing, because now the pumpkin and the
It's that
beans are covers.
uh,
The maize is on the other layer of growth.
it's
Higher
something new
layer.
I've learned
So
today.
you also want to keep the roots in the soil, huh?
You want to keep the roots in the soil. Everything from here stays here, except we sometimes feed the chicken with
Some of the weeds.
the weeds and the rabbits.
Mm.
But you see, the manure comes back.
Yes. That's the
So
whole principle of
yes.
agroecology.
So this maize will mulch next season, the stalks, after we get the maize
The
out.
combs.
Yeah. And this is the traditional colored maize. It's not the hybrid.
You are doing
And
amazing.
it's nice. It does well.
And look at that one. Has so many so many small combs.
It's just, some are red, some are purple, some are yellow. It's not white.
I'll get seeds from you, hopefully.
Yeah.
And how
It's
many
rich
trees?
in
So
maize.
I see you have some figs in there.
They are figs. So figs, I put them in this season.
Mm.
So actually they are fruiting for the first time.
This is, I like the figs, no, because they don't have a great
That's the idea.
shading, no.
Yes.
Also, so you can still grow stuff.
Yes. But you see, we still have shade
From
trees
the-
that we cut.
Wait,
for
which tree is
mulch
this?
also. This is podo.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
There I
Have you intentionally planted it, or is it just
Yes,
growing
it's
there?
planted.
So what is the? You cut it just for mulching,
For
or does it
mulching.
have other uses also?
It's a wood. It makes very good timber.
Oh.
But of course, after many
After
years.
very many years. And then also the stem has the stem has
But it
thickened.
makes good shade, and then it gives good fertility
Just
on those leaves.
the houses birds too.
Yeah,
You can
the
see some.
houses. So on the other side, I have one avocado tree. I'll show you. Let's pass the other issue.
Hi, little buddy.
Last season I had cassava here and another layer, and but this time I just decided to cassava here to see, because it's really sometimes takes space. Sorry?
Do you work alone on the farm?
I have help because I also homeschool my children. Yeah, my boy.
My
We've just come from
homeschooler.
doing maths.
Ah,
You know how boys are. You have to really supervise.
yeah, they are very cheeky.
Playful.
Mm.
So yeah. So I get come this in. It looks like I'll get some tomatoes. We will get
You will.
serious with them. So this is one of the cotton. You can see it?
This space on. They're beautiful.
Yes.
Really nice.
You can snack on
I love
one.
them. But mine are only like a quarter of the size.
Yeah. This one is not completely ripe.
Yeah, leave them.
Yeah.
Daddy,
But
see,
it's
need daddy.
growing, it's lying down, huh?
No, it's I don't know why it's leaning, but I think it was pushed by, there was overgrowth here, what we are cutting down.
Maybe it needs to be stalked, supported or something.
Supported, yes. And there's a tree, there's another one down there. So
But you can prune them very easily, huh? They
they are
are.
very
When you
easy to
prune,
do.
how do you propagate a
In
mulberry?
fact, like this one, I won't even support it. I will cut it.
Yes.
Are those
And then now work with this.
those you can propagate those ones?
Which ones?
The ones you're saying you'll cut?
Yes, you propagate through cuttings.
Hey, I would love some cuttings.
They are very easy. They do very well. Let's just pass.
Back.
Okay.
Yes.
Share all of us. Public land. So we share. Yeah.
Everyone has a small section for their
Yeah.
production.
So like, but just
That's
to
why
get an
weaving.
idea, like how much work would it be? This area.
Planting.
Everything, like, is it one person